We're on the way now to Gardens by the Bay.
On the way.
Let's go!
Let's go. Right. Where are we heading?
Oh, Gardens by the Bay. We reach it.
We are going there!
Going there. Alright, so after a long walk, here we are at Satay by the Bay.
Yes.
You can see? Yeah.
As you all can see.
I'm very hungry. What should we eat?
Yeah, I'm also very hungry. You? Are you hungry?
Very hungry.
Okay, let's go. Alright, so we're gonna go order our food now.
Let's go. Where's Chin Xiang?
I think he left already. Let's go find him.
Let's go.
Hello. Oh, food.
Let's eat.
Wow. Okay, we're missing one more thing. We're missing one more satay. Okay.
Okay guys, we got our food now.
Oh wow, look at this. We got satay.
Barbecue chicken.
We got Hokkien prawn noodles.
There we got char kway teow over here.
And stingray. Oh yeah, oh my god, that's so good. Early dinner, yo. Early dinner.
Okay,
So,
let's eat.
shall we eat?
Let's eat.
Shall we eat? What's up guys, it's J-Cube together again.
JQ.
J-Cube! Alright, so now we just finished eating at Satay by the Bay.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm so full also. And there's one more place to go at the end of our trail. Where is that?
Sky Park.
Yeah, Sky Park.
It's like over there.
Alright,
Opposite.
it's all the way over there. We'll get there soon, okay? We'll get there soon, okay?
We'll take a short walk there. Now before we go, once again, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you at
Sky Park.
Sky Park!